Hello sailors, here's what to expect on your Virgin Voyages embarkation day when sailing out of the port of Miami, and at the end I have a couple of tips. Firstly, make sure you've downloaded and filled out the app before arriving at the terminal. One important part about filling out the app is selecting an arrival time. This will help reduce queues and make the embarkation process much smoother. When you arrive at the terminal, you'll find parking across from Terminal V. And the porter will put a luggage tag on your luggage. Be sure to tip the porter, but remember, the tips are included once you're on the ship. There will be lines based on your arrival time that you selected in your app. You'll need to wait until it's your time. When you go inside, on the ground floor, you'll move your way through the queues and go up the escalator. When we were there in October, we noticed that people with a romance package, or if they were Deep Blue Loyalty Program people, they went to the right while everyone else went to the left. You'll receive a wristband as your room key, purchases on the ship, and of course getting on and off the ship. If the rooms are not ready, you'll wait in the red furniture room lounge area. Once rooms are ready, everyone will be allowed to start queuing to get on the ship. Once in the terminal, you can get into the ship's Wi-Fi and make dinner reservation adjustments. And you can also start booking your entertainment. Once you get on the ship, you'll arrive on Deck 7, and people with tablets in their hands are there to help you if you've got problems with your app, or if you need to make adjustments with the reservations, or if you need help getting entertainment reservations. That is at the top of the roundabout. We did hear from Sailor Services that they only allow the restaurants to fill up at 50% capacity until the day of the sailing. Then they open up the rest of the reservations in case people forgot to reserve early. There's also an ice cream and pizza available on that floor, which is Deck 7, and there's food in the galley, which is on Deck 15. There's also a limited bar on Deck 7 that has shots and beer, so if you want something else, be sure to check out one of the other many bars. For example, go to the bottom of the roundabout and you'll find a bar. In the description section, I will leave links to a couple of other videos. One is setting up the app for the first time. Another is tips and tricks, and it includes stuff like all of the elevators are color-coded. Midship is red, the forward is purple, and the aft has blue. So it helps you understand where you are in the ship and other things like that. Then there's another video that just includes differences that are different on Virgin Voyages from other cruises. And then there's a Virgin Voyages frequently asked questions video. Until next time, live your truth and live well.